Are you looking for a sweet and savory dinner that the whole family will love? Well, then you won't believe how easy this apricot chicken recipe is. Welcome to Comforts of Home TV. I'm Neva. I was just so excited to share this recipe with you guys. This has been a top requested of my family for years. Back in the 1960s, when my parents lived in Boston, my mom found this apricot chicken recipe in the Boston Globe. And ever since, it's been, like I say, all of us have requested it. And now even my husband and my family request it.
Yes, I always love to
And it's a birthday dinner request. And you won't believe how easy it is and how delicious, full of flavor, so easy that you can throw it together in a matter of minutes, as I'll show you. So let's get started. So as you can see, here are 5 ingredients. I have 6 chicken breasts I'm using, and we need 1 packet of onion soup mix. I have 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bottle of this Annie's French dressing, and that's 8 ounces, and 8 ounces of apricot jam. So delicious. The first thing I like to add is the delicious apricot jam. See that? And I think this recipe became popular in the mid-century, around when my mom discovered it in the Boston Globe. She always got wonderful recipes that have stood the test of time. Okay, and next I'm using 1 whole jar, 8 ounces, and I really like this brand, the Annie's French dressing. So I'm just going to dump that all in there, and it's so fun at the end. We just mix it all together, and this just makes the most delicious, sweet and savory sauce. And here are 2 cloves of garlic that I've minced. And most recipes I've seen don't call for this. This is my own personal tweak. This really enhances the savory. It's hard for me to do a dish for dinner and not put fresh garlic in it. So that's my own personal tweak. And our 1 packet of onion soup mix, which has super flavor and good old onions in it, right? Now, time to mix it together. It comes together so beautifully. You can already smell the dressing with the onion soup mix. And that apricot jam, I don't know if you've ever tried it, is so delicious. If you make some homemade biscuits, it's really wonderful. I love the tartness of it. Is that one of your favorite choices, sweetie? Or
Yeah,
what's your favorite jam on biscuits?
On a fresh biscuit. That's really good.
Yeah, strawberry or grape. Okay, so wow, mixed together. What was that, a few minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the chicken. I've already poured it on top. This is my 9x13 that I've oiled with some olive oil, and I like to butterfly the chicken open. So I take the breast and I cut it almost completely in half. And that's called butterflying it open. And that just seems to make for more even baking and quicker baking. But here's the delicious sauce, ready to go into a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. And of course, if you have a thermometer, you can insert it and make sure it's at 165. That will show that it's done. So I'm going to put this in the oven. And while it's in the oven, I'll make our delicious rice and vegetable side. I love using this time while the apricot chicken is baking in the oven to prepare the rice, which is so delicious with this apricot chicken sauce. And broccoli, here it is. This is what you want to see, bubbling away in the oven toward the end of the cooking process. This is what you want it to look like. Oh,
well, yeah. Sweetie, this looks really good.
Yay, I'm ready to dig in. So tender. Just cut it with a fork. I love the sauce on the rice. Let's see. Wow, what an amazing sauce that makes.
The sauce is so good on the rice.
Well, we thank you guys for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. And give this recipe a try. It's been a family favorite of mine for many decades.
Yeah, it's delicious.
So we love to get your comments. Comment below. Tell us what you think. Tell us how you made it, how yours turned out. We'd love to hear from you. So have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye. Yum.